Hello guys, this is your freedom trader Collis FT. Once more again, we're gonna check out a random video, a random pair, and we analyze it and end up with a signal. So that has always been like that. So right now we get major pairs here. Let's go with the USD CAD. Yeah, it's one of the most traded pairs out there. So usually, as usual, we'll go to the weekly. First we check the structure. So as you can see, I had an analysis already putting out the key levels. Again, as usual, you have to clear all your previous analysis, then you restart with a clear and clean mind. So what is USD CAD trying to do here? Is it in an uptrend, downtrend, or is it consolidating? So it's actually in an uptrend. So we start with that. What are the key levels? We put the key levels. No matter how near they are, it's very important, because this is to tell you inside these two parallel lines you don't have to trade. You don't have to trade inside here. So it doesn't matter if a key level is near to the other, it's still great. It's something you have to always have them. You always have to have your key levels. Same like here, we have one here and another one just below here. So we can just make it like this. Okay, so what we are trying to make out here is there is kind of a double bottom here. I think that's what I saw in my previous analysis of the same pair. There was a kind of a double bottom here, and the market actually broke the neckline. If we consider this a double bottom, then this is a neckline. It broke already but didn't go up, so it's coming back again, which is not usual when the market forms a double bottom. Usually it will just break and goes up straight. So it's coming back really hard. So in this case, what we have to do is look further and wait. If we have to still trust our setup that this was a double bottom and the market is going to go up, then we can then look and wait for a signal here. We'll then wait for a signal around this level. Around this level there will be a signal, a buy signal. So the market might wanna, because there is also a level here. Yeah, the level is here. There is a level here. So we now have to observe exactly what the market is doing at this level. Is it breaking? If it breaks here, it means it might reach here. And okay, let's get rid of this one. So if it breaks here, it means it might reach here, then forms a buy level, then forms a buy signal, and then goes up. But all of this we don't know yet until the market gives us that signal. If it doesn't give, continues to break here, we're gonna still wait and see if it gives us a sell signal, then we continue to sell, because this is actually an attempt to break the moving average, which has not been broken for a very long time now. As you can see, anytime it breaks, it pulls up. Anytime it breaks here, it goes back up. It has broken, gone back up, broken, gone back up. So showing it is an uptrend. So right here, it's still another attempt. It attempted here, but formed a bullish engulfing, two bullish engulfings, and went up. So we just have to wait this week, at the end of this week, and see whatever candle it's gonna form here. And then we'll decide from there. And then if we go down to the daily, because at the weekly we still can't really confirm if it's a buy or a sell. So if we go down, you see the level we drew at the weekly, it forms perfectly at the daily here. So the daily is very clear now. You see this level, we are waiting for whatever the market is going to do here. Then we're going to make our decision based on that. So we looking at the structure, it's kind of forming a mini structure inside another structure. Like you can see, it's kind of forming a mini structure inside a bigger structure. So usually it might form like this, and then goes up. It will do something like this. Yeah, this is how it does usually. Then it continues to go up. So this is actually what we are hoping the market can do, but this we have to wait for the market to come to us as usual. As I say, if not like this, it would then come down here and break structure. If it breaks structure, then we'll be expecting it to come down and continuously sell and actually break the uptrend completely. Yeah, so if not the case, then we're gonna leave it like this. So there's something with USD CAD. It doesn't respect structure, by the way. It doesn't respect structure. It doesn't respect setup. So with the USD CAD, it's a pair that it's very unusual. You cannot make it your main pair. So going down forward to the smaller time frames, this is already what we have in mind, and we're gonna whatever we're gonna do, it's gonna be based on this that we have in mind. So as you can see, this is how the structure actually was supposed to be, like this, but now this has been broken. We're only left now with this. Yeah, so going down to the see, it's very clear with the 4 hours. The structure is very clear with the 4 hours. So we still keep it up. We look at what the market is doing. So actually it has given a buy signal already at the 4 hours, which will be confirmed if the market crosses above the moving average at the 4 hours. So for us to buy based on the 4 hours, we have to buy only when the market crosses above this level and also above this moving average. And when the market crosses above this moving average, this will be the first level that will determine us to buy from. Yeah, so we have to buy on top of this level. So right here you might see this. Yeah, actually this is this is a good signal, but the resistance has not been broken yet, because you only buy when resistance is broken with a bullish momentum candle, retested, a signal is given like this before you buy. That is the only time you buy. Same thing with the with selling. You only sell when support is broken with a bearish momentum candle, then retested, the support is being retested, then a signal is given, then you sell. So it is the same thing. So this signal is kind of just random, and we cannot trust it for now. We cannot trust this signal for now, and we can observe more. And if the market breaks this resistance, comes up here and breaks the moving average, retest, then that is when we can buy. So with the UCAD, we have to be very cautious with it. So same goes with 1 hour. So with the 1 hour, this is the only level above which we can buy. At this level, we still cannot buy unless we are scalping. Only scalpers can buy. And the analysis, from the way I started, I didn't start it I didn't start it as a scalping analysis. I started it as a swing and a day trading analysis. So at this point, we just have to be patient, and I suggest for swing traders, you should buy at 4 hour. Yeah, you should buy at 4 hour, or even if you want to buy at 1 hour, it should be above this level before we buy. Above this level before buy. This level, yes, it depends on how it's going to break this structure, this resistance, because already he's trying to trade now above the moving average, but it still has to break this resistance because it's a main key level. If it breaks it, retest and give us a signal, then buying means we're still going to come out. We're still going to take our profit just here. You're not going to take your profit above this level. You can just take your profit at this area. If you are buying at this level, you have to take your profit at this level. So if you are buying maybe at 1.348, you're going to take your profit as 1.3520. So which is almost like 40 pips. Yeah, it's like 40 pips for a 4 hour time frame. It's not bad. For a 1 hour time frame, it's not bad. So going down right to the 15 minutes. So this was an actual buy signal here, but it's a buy signal with take profit just around here. As you can see, it gave out a buy signal here. Profit has been taken. The market has been exhausted already at this level. It's been exhausted. The only place you can still buy if it breaks this resistance here. So that point, this level of resistance, it's been confirmed right down to the 15 minutes time frame from the weekly time frame. So it's a confident one, and it's very important. So we can enlarge it or even make it bigger than that. So that's it for US CAD. As I said, it's not any time that you analyze that you must enter a trade, or else you have to analyze like 4 pairs, 5 pairs. Within those 4 or 5, you can get 1 trade or 2. So but if you don't get any trade, you don't enter. Like for now with the USD CAD, there is no clear trade right now. There is no clear trade. For scalpers, it's late already. They would have entered here at 6:15. So for day traders, it's already late. You have to wait. And then for swing traders, you still have to wait as well. So that was it for USD CAD today. I hope we can come back to the video later on and double check if it's time to enter. Then we enter and continue to trade. So our money still remains in our account. It's not risk. It's better and it's safe when it's not trade it when it's not out there in red or on drawdowns. So guys, thank you. Make sure you like and subscribe, and you put the notification button so that you get more content like this.